Over the next 2-ish hours, the house constantly creaked and settled, but several times I thought I'd heard something slightly louder and more distinct, enough so for me to stop and look away from my desk, hoping to hear it again and figure out what it was. I didn't, but how could it not be the house just making noises? The thought that it was anything else seemed really far-fetched. That was until there was a much louder thud sound. It sounded more like something breaking than just a hit against the wall, let alone the house settling in the wind. And it sounded like it was inside the house. I got up from my desk and walked into the hallway, hearing nothing and then moving downstairs. Everything looked and sounded normal, not that I could hear too much over the heavy winds, but there weren't any more loud thuds. Honestly, I wasn't scared enough to do a full-on search through every section of the house, not without any other noises or anything. So I started to head back up to my office, making it nearly to the top of the steps, when suddenly there was a click sound and the whole house went dark.